Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial on how to create your Europass cover letter using the online editor. Let's start creating a cover letter. The first selection you need to make is how you want to start creating your cover letter. This time, let's opt for Create New Cover Letter. This opens the online editor with a range of information for you to input. Start by selecting the language you want your cover letter to be in. For the purpose of this demo, let's continue in English. Here you can select the date format according to your need. Now, simply start typing in your personal information such as your first and last name, email or other means to be contacted such as Skype or WhatsApp. When you have completed filling in your personal information, click Save or directly Edit in the next section, which is focused on details about the receiver. Here you can add details about the person who will be receiving your cover letter. You should try to address the cover letter to a specific and relevant person, but you can also opt to leave this section blank. Now, write the job reference, city and date. Now you need to select an open salutation. Here you can choose from the drop-down list an open salutation in the first field and write the receiver's name in the second field. You can also write your own open salutation. Keep in mind that both fields are required. Otherwise, you may also choose to whom it may concern from the drop-down list and the second field would disappear. Note that the content field is equipped with basic formatting and editing tools, such as bolding the text, adding bullet points, links, etc. Once you've finished, click Save or directly proceed to the closing section. Moving on to the closing section, choose an ending from the drop-down list or just write your own closing sentence. Then your name. And finally, to further personalize your letter, you can also add an image with your signature. You can take a picture of your signature or use web tools to create one. Keep in mind that the file format should be PNG and its size should not exceed 1 MB. Now, review your work before you proceed to the next step and check if there is anything left you wish to edit. If you're done editing, you can click Next to choose the design of your cover letter template. You have several templates to choose from. Choose a template design that best fits your CV and then click Next. Now, name your file and download it to your local device. That's it. You now have a well-formatted, great-looking professional cover letter. You should also save it to your Europass library where you can easily edit your cover letter later, create new ones, or share your cover letter or other files from your library with your employer. Now you're ready to take the next step with your brand new Europass cover letter.